Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today we're talking about some of the invasives in the fall, particularly autumn olive. I find this time of the year, so it's Halloween actually, a really good time to identify invasives for a lot of different reasons, because mainly because they show up easier. So here we have the bittersweet. So if you're not sure what it looks like during the year, there's the seeds, and this is the problem. This stuff spreads everywhere. It's going up this fence here. It's all intertwined. And I was walking around looking at this, some of these invasives as I do in the fall. There's some more there. I'll get those cut down. And I noticed this, and I was like, uh-oh. And this is growing in the middle of just, nothing here, right? It's a field. And this is why this is a problem. This is autumn olive. And, if you look, everything's bare, and this guy's green. So what we're going to do here, I'm not going to be able to dig that out. So I'm going to cut it to the ground. I'm going to put on some herbicide on the stump, and then I'll watch it next spring. I'll leave myself a little note, and that should take care of it. So we're just going to take that tree down, that little. I could probably saw it, but I think I just want to use this guy. It's a battery powered one, so I really like it. Just a lot easier. And then I'll put the Roundup on it, and that'll be done. And we're not going to have autumn olive coming up in that area. All right, so fall is a particularly great time of the year to identify these invasives like the bittersweet, like the autumn olive I just showed you. Get them out of your yard. They don't belong there. Let the natives flourish, and any of the other plants which are not so aggressive. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.